ask everyone to please stand and initially proceed our prayer. Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Angelica. Good morning, Ma'am Cortez. It's nice to see you again.
Okay, before we take your seat, please arrange your chair properly and pick up some wrappers under your chair. Okay, please be seated. For your attendance, Miss Secretary, please check. Okay. Do you have an assignment, class?
Yeah.
Okay, if not, I have here our classroom rules. So first, raise your hand to speak. If you want to speak, please raise your hand. Second, follow instruction. Third, respect everyone. And last, stay focused and participate. Okay? Let's review first our last topic. What was our last topic? Yeah. Last meeting. Okay, Michelle? Okay, very good. It's all about Mendel's law. There's three types of Mendel's law. And Danica, please give me one type of Mendel's law.
Dominant.
Okay, very good. Law of dominance. And the second law is, okay,
Law of segregation.
law of segregation. And the last is, okay, Mary. Okay, very good. Law of independent assortment. What is the three types? First, law of dominance. Second,
Law of segregation.
third.
Law of independent assortment.
Okay, very good. Before we proceed to our proper discussion, I have here an activity. So, the activity called Pass the Ball. So, instruction. Student will pass the paper ball around the class while the music plays. When the music stops, the student holding the paper ball will be found what is in the picture. Okay? Nagets?
Yes.
So, pag-start na din kay Virgie.
Yeah.
So, Virgie, pass the ball. Wait. Right? So, Jennifer. What is in the picture? DNA. Okay, very good. DNA. Okay, continue. Pass the ball. Okay, Mary, what is in the picture? Okay, very good. It is a heart. So I have here a question. What have you observed from our activity? Mary, what have you observed from our activity? About what?
Panwa, di ba? Tapos about siya sa ano, ma'am, itong central dogma.
Okay, very good. It's all about central dogma. Okay, ikaw? Did you find the activity easy or difficult? Easy lang daw. Okay, before we proceed to our proper discussion, I have here another activity. Hold arrange green. So, I have here a scramble word. Ang gagawin nyo, i-arrange nyo dito sa harap at ididikit dito. Nagets? Ang gagawin? Okay. I have here a stilo. Sino kaya ang unang mag-a-arrange lang? Sino kaya? I-arrange mo yan. Very good. Second scramble word is, sino kayo mag-a-arrange? Yes. Charmed. Alam mo, Charmed. Okay, very good, Charmed. Next, the last word is what word did you arrange, Mary? Very good. Okay, pakibasa kung ano mga word ang nabuo. First,
Dogma.
second,
Biology.
and the last is?
Molecular.
So, Mary, did you find the activity easy or difficult? Okay, easy lang daw sa inyo. Danica, what do you think is our lesson for today?
About sun.
About what? Very good. It's all about central dogma of molecular objectives. Everyone, please read our objectives.
At the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify the three main processes involved in central dogma: replication, transcription, and translation. Explain the flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA to protein, and illustrate the central dogma through diagrams.
So, what is central dogma of molecular biology? Central dogma is the process in which the genetic information flows in the cell starting from DNA, which replicates to form more DNA information, then transcription into RNA, and then translation into protein. So this is the central dogma in structure. DNA replication in transcription into RNA, and RNA translation into protein. So, who has discovered all central dogma of molecular biology? So, C. Francis Crick in 1958. Okay, so what is DNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. And DNA has a double helix structure. DNA is carry genetic information. And DNA is location in the nucleus and mitochondria. Okay. And the DNA nitrogenous bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Okay, very good. So this is the DNA structure. So this is the example of DNA structure. It has double helix. Okay, very good. So how about what is RNA? RNA stands for
Ribonucleic acid.
Okay, very good. RNA has a single
Strand.
RNA is help in protein
Synthesis.
So, hindi makita ang RNA, it is location in the cytoplasm. And what is the nitrogenous basis of RNA?
Adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil.
Uracil. Okay, very good. So, this is the example of RNA structure. Kaya, single stranded. Okay. There are three types of RNA are made from DNA. First is mRNA. M stands for
Messenger.
Okay, messenger. Messenger made from DNA in nucleus travels out of nucleus and find a ribosome. So the second type of RNA is tRNA. T stands for
Transfer.
Okay, transfer. Transfer brings amino acid to the ribosomes found into cytoplasm. So the last type of RNA is the rRNA. So R stands for
Ribosomal.
ribosomal. So ribosomal parts of the ribosomes. This is where proteins are made. So this is the messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, and transfer RNA. So, nag-gets kung ano ang central dogma of molecular biology? Yes. Yes. Okay, yes. So, what is the process of central dogma biology? DNA, transcription into RNA, RNA translation into protein. Okay, so, more. What is the process? Again, RNA transcription into RNA, and RNA into okay, very good protein. So, Rachel, again, what is the process of central dogma?
DNA transcription to RNA, and then
Okay, so nag-gets na?
Yes.
Okay. So, I have here a group activity. Ang gagawin nyo, I will group you muna into 5 groups. And each group must illustrate the central dogma of molecular biology. Okay. Doon silang kamo. I will group you na lang into 4 groups. This will be the group 1, 1, 2, 3, kamo. Tapos 1, 2, 3, group 2. 1, 2, 3, group 3, and 1, 2, 3, group 4. So, illustrate mo ang central dogma. Group 1, group 2, group 2 din ang clinic, group 3, and I will give you 10 minutes to finish that. Ibutan niyo ang group name, and this is the rubrics. Are you done? Yes. Okay, tapos na ang group 3. How about the other two? Group members. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, pass it forward. See, I have here another activity called Fast and Answer. So, what is the first rule? Raise your hand to speak. So, first question. What is our topic for today? Pick Winnie.
Our topic for today is about central dogma of nuclear biology.
Okay, central dogma of nuclear biology. So, second question. DNA stands for? Think?
Deoxyribose.
Okay, very good. Yep. Deoxyribose. Siyok? No, no. Deoxyribonucleic. Okay. Next question. RNA for? Okay, Danica.
Ribonucleic acid.
And the last question is what are the three types of RNA? Okay, easy.
mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA.
What is mRNA?
M for messenger, T for transfer, and R for replication.
Okay, very good. Okay, nuggets?
Yes.
Okay, I have here a quiz. Individual quiz. Hindi by group. Individual quiz. I will give you 5 minutes to finish the quiz. you done? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, time is up. Finish or not finish, pass your paper. Okay, for your assignment, in one whole sheet of paper, research one genetic disorder and identify how a mutation in DNA affects